categories for this promo. The first one is new distributor, and the second one is existing distributor. So if you just register newly, or you are about to register, there is a way you can make use of this promo to make either to win different
prices,
or gift, or to make more money. Number one, they say, if I'm talking about the first category now, which is new distributors. Those of us that are existing distributors, you can also make use of this advantage to recruit people. When you recruit new people, you can even use this promo to entice people. Yeah, to attract them. That if you register, in fact, our company, they are doing promo right now. That if you register, they are going to give you so. Because you know that some people, they have money to invest. Some people, they have money to invest. But if you don't tell them the benefit they are going to derive from investing their money, they may not be encouraged, or they may not be interested. So if you tell them that, because the reason why I'm saying is that a lot of people, they like free gifts. People like freebies, and we can use that four-letter word to attract people, which we call free. So if you tell people that if you register and purchase any credit product within 249 PV in the same month of registration, they are going to get credit pen. That is stage one. So you are going to get credit pen. You know, the person is just looking at what is pen. How much are they selling pen in the market? But if you say, okay, the second category, that if you register, this is three-star consultant. If you tell somebody that if you register and you upgrade your account to 3-star within the same month, and you tell that, what do you mean by 3-star? The 3-star means that all our credit products comes with point value. If you are able to accumulate 250 points value, and there are two ways to do this. One, you can buy products on your KD account if you have registered. You can buy products on your account, use the product, share the testimony. If you have any health issue, if you don't have any health issues, you can prospect people. You can reach out to people who are having different health challenges. Yes, if you know anyone suffering from hypertension, arthritis, ulcer, diabetes, any form of health challenges, you can talk to those people. The only issue we have is that I don't know whether we are afraid of talking or we are feeling shy. That's the only issue. And do you know what? Let me share something with you today. Do you know that one of the biggest skill to become successful in life is communication skill? You can go and Google it. Communication skill is one of the biggest skills to become successful in life. I will tell you why. Whenever Steve Jobs launched any new iPhone or any new Apple product, what is he going to do? He's going to do presentation on it. You will see him. He will come out live, talk to the entire world. I just launched a new product. It's very awesome. It has these features. It is this, it is that. What is he doing? He's using communication skill to advertise and to give his product. To promote his product and let everybody know about it. There's a particular quote I hear from someone. I don't know whether, okay, I cannot remember the person. He said, if you have a very beautiful wristwatch and you keep it in your wardrobe, you don't want anybody to know that you have so product, or you just bought a new wristwatch. How will people know that you just bought a new wristwatch? They won't know now. Nobody will know. If you buy a new dress and you keep it inside your house, you don't wear it, nobody will know. So the same thing applicable that if you are in possession of a particular product that can solve different health challenges and you don't let people aware of it, there is no how they can know. Even if I thought that those people, they have money to spend. Yes, those people that we are told that they have money to spend, but it's because we don't give them the information. So by the time you give them information about what you are doing, they are ready to patronize you. So this is how it works. So under the first category, which is new. So tell that person to either buy the product on their account or talk to people that has problem and let them buy the product. Maybe they have one health challenges or the other. Let them buy. By the time they buy, before you know, this 250 points value, by the time you buy a product of 90,000, so it will help you achieve this 250 point value, and from there you become 3-star consultants. That is the two methods. It's either you buy the product by yourself or you introduce people that will buy it by sharing flyers, by prospecting, by talking to people, by communicating. So before you know, you see yourself in star 3. This star 3, you can do it in 1 month. In fact, you can do it in 1 week. Some people do it in a day. That is it. Some people do it in a day. I remember a guy, he just registered, he has never done anything. He just told me that there's one of his in-laws that has diabetes, so that I should come and help him talk to them. I said that, tell them to do tests. All of a sudden, he spoke to his in-law, and the man agreed because he has spent a lot of money on diabetes. So we invite the man did our test. From there, we recommended a product of almost 89 to 90,000, and that was how my dad complete his star 3 in a single day. The only issue, and just what I said, please, I want you to notice, the only issue we have is we don't communicate. We are working around people that has problems and they have money to spend, but we don't communicate. You have any questions?
We do. Like me, I do.
Okay.
My prayer to God is that God should take me to the particular patient that they were in need of it.
Yes.
But by now, I believe I'm still sowing. You understand?
Yes.
It's just like the way you share flyers. You can't never tell when that thing will, bounce back or as in
when they will call you.
Yes.
Yes.
That
Okay.
is it.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So that is, I'm happy to hear that. Yes, you are doing it, and just be doing it consistently. Don't give up, because we are very close to the breakthrough. So now that's how it works for star 3. So when you do star 3, see what grading will give you. When you do star 3, during this promo, they are going to give you 1 golden 6 and 1 coin half. Let's take a look at it and let's do the cost. Let's do the cost of that value. 1 jar of golden 6 and 1 pack of coin half. Look at it. Golden 6, this is the benefit you are going to do. If you do 250 point value star 3 within this period, in the same month, you register and upgrade your account to star 3. Then we give you, this is the reward you are going to get. Let me write it like this. Please, I want people to see, those who are ahead, I want people to see. They are going to give you golden 6 capsule, and they will give you coin half capsule. Let's calculate. Golden 6 is how much? 4,290. Coin half is how much? 2,500. So let's press our calculator.
6,790.
Yeah, so for registering during this period and you upgrade your account to star 3, which is accumulation of 250 point value, okay, we are still going to make 6,790. So this one is your promo reward, promo additional bonus. This is your promo additional bonus you are going to make in that particular section. So quickly, let's move on to the next section and let's look at the benefits we are going to get during this particular promo. So the next stage is you register during this promo and upgrade your account to star 4. When you register and upgrade your account to star 4, you are going to win bonus of, so the condition is register and upgrade to star 4. So the first question is that how do we upgrade to star 4? I have already registered. But how can I upgrade my account to star 4? This is what we are going to discuss now. Because there are some people that just register and they are asking me this question. How can they upgrade their account to star 4? It's very simple. Simple does not mean it is easy, But if you are ready to pay the price,
apply the
yeah, if you are ready to apply all this prospecting method that we have analyzed, you will get it. The only issue we have is that we don't want to take action. And when we are taking action and we don't get results, we give up quickly. Sometimes we don't know that we are very close to the financial breakthrough.
that's another key point.
Yes, sometimes you are very, very close, but because you give up, that is the thing. I told you about one of my clients today. This my client has been coming to buy products. All of a sudden, he just told me that he's not seen any result. I said that this our treatment is a gradual process. So he said, no, you want to go and try hospital. He went, he didn't come back. So one day I was just strolling on my phone and I did see this man. Make I follow this man up. I just call him. I say, hello, sir. How far? I just want to check on you. I want to ask about your health. How are you doing? See, let me tell you another secret. When you are relating with people, try to build cordial relationship. When you are building that cordial relationship, just pretend as if you care for them. Forget about your own selfishness and focus on your client's selfishness. I'm telling you, yes. Try to build what we call KLT. This is one of the biggest marketing secrets that they don't teach us in school. I'm telling you, K simply means let your customer know you. Let your customer like you and let your customer trust you. By the time you achieve this KLT, you will be surprised. You will never go broke again. You will never. I guarantee you that. These people, do you know what? Let me tell you another secret. Do you know that when you start communicating with people, any day you don't communicate with them, they are expecting your communication. I don't know whether you have. Maybe because I'm into marketing stuff and I talk to people on a daily basis. Some people, when they don't hear from me, they will now go and send me message, say, Oladele or Dele, we really appreciate some of the valuable content you are sending to us, but it's been a long time we don't hear from you. What happened? Is there any time you experience that? So the best is you need to start communicating with people. And how do you start communicating with people? Start by giving valuable information. Start by giving valuable information. Help people. Talk to people. Advise people. Inspire people. Encourage people. Build relationship. Show care. Show to people that you care for them. Don't wait until people call you. Call them. Hello, I just want to check on you. How are you doing? How is the family? Yes, I just want to say hi. Do you know that anybody that you call, you build, you open up communication, you started building cordial relationship with them, before you know, they begin to do what? They begin to know you. KLT. KLT. The first one, they begin to know you. How? Because they begin to remember you. You are trying to put your name in their memory. Let people begin to remind you when they wake up, they see your message. I swear to God, they will begin to, because this our subconscious mind or our brain, it has programming. It is people that you are communicating with, or the people that are communicating with you, that will be stored in that memory. Yes. If you don't communicate, do you know that if you don't communicate with me for 1 year, I'll forget about you? Yes, now, I'll forget about you. If I don't communicate with you, you'll forget about me. The only people you'll be remembering are those people that are communicating with you. Just imagine, how would you feel if I wake up in a day and I say, hello, Mr. Kayode, hello, Mr. Andrew, how are you doing? How was your night? How is the family? I just want to check on you. I just want to know how you are doing. Have a great day. I do it today. Tomorrow I do it. I do it for you for 1 week. What do you think will be happening in your mind, in your brain towards me? How would you feel to me? It is very simple. It is just like you have a let's assume that you and I, we are friends. You now call me and say, hello, Dele, or Mr. Dele, or whatever. And I have a particular occasion I would like two of us to go together. So I don't know if you are going to be at chance. The first time I turn you down, I say no. The next time you still invite me for another occasion, I said no. The third time you invited me for another occasion, I said no. Huh? Stupid me. I can't say hello, Mr. Kayode or Mr. Andrew. My younger brother is doing something at Abeokuta. Please, would you like to follow me? Would you say you follow me? No, let's be realistic. Would you follow me? Even if you are less busy, even if you are not doing anything, you will never follow me. That's how it works. That's the best way. This method I'm giving you, please start using it right from today. And let us do self-evaluation of what will happen. This thing I'm giving you, it will make people to like you. It will make people to first of all know you. Because it's this first stage. People need to know you first. So you should, they need to be, you need to be on their list of people that they know. There are some people in our area that we don't greet, we don't talk, we don't discuss. Yes. But some people, when they don't see you, they come to your door and knock. It's been a long time now. Did you travel? Some people, they call you on phone. We've not seen you in the area. What happened? So, after knowing, when they know you, the kind of relationship you are building with them will make them to like you. I'm trying to arrive at something though. This thing I put here is marketing strategy. When people know you, they like you, what will be the next thing? They trust you. Do you know what? Anybody that trusts you, they are ready to spend money on anything you introduce them to. If you introduce them to any business, they will listen and they will be ready to do it. If you introduce any product to them, they will listen to you and they are ready to patronize what you are doing. But if these three things doesn't happen, no sales. We don't buy from people that we don't like. We don't buy from people that we don't know. We don't buy from people that we don't trust. So that is the logic. Please don't forget this KLT. Very, very important. It's one of the greatest marketing strategies that a lot of people have used and it works anytime, any day. So quickly, how do we do? We are at register and upgrade your account to star 4. And how do we do star 4? Very simple. This is the strategy. This is the strategy. Let's say this is Mr. A that just register as a KD member. When you register, try to introduce Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D in your network. The first method is that you need to first of all do your own star 3. How do you do star 3? By buying product or let people buy product through you to become star 3 just with 250 points value. That's how to do star 3. And the same thing that we told you to do here, encourage, teach, coach, educate other people under you to do the same thing. Let them also do star 3. Star 3. Star 3. And this star 3 means 250 points value each. And we have told you how to do all these things. It's either you do it by yourself or you attract people that will do it under you. So by the time the 3 people under you, this is a network that you need to build. If you don't, because your level of they say your level of net worth is being determined by your level of network. Your level of net worth is being determined by your level of net worth, because all other people out there, the millionaire, the billionaire, what they are doing is that they are building network. That's what they are doing. What is Dangote doing now? He's building network. He has built a very powerful network. Connections. Conglomerates. There are some of his business that he has built that can work even in his absence. That's what they are doing. So, once you do this, you have star 3 under you, plus your own star 3, you will be upgraded to star 4. So now, during this promo, if you are able to achieve this star 4 within 1 month after registration, you are going to be entitled to what? You are going to be entitled to some of the following some of the following gifts which I will mention here. Number one is air clipper, toaster, table gas cooker. You can choose any one. I think in the last promo I picked their, I won their table gas cooker under this, one of my accounts did this before, and I won a table gas cooker. This table gas cooker is, if you price it in the market, is almost 7,000 to 10,000 depending on the quality. So it's something interesting that you help people, they buy products through you, you save their lives, and at the end of the day you still win something. And apart from that gift that you are going to win, imagine here if it becomes star 3, you'll be entitled to 20% bonus. Yeah, when you introduce somebody that do star 3 under you, you will be getting 20% from this person's achievement or transaction. You get another 20% from the second person. You get another 20% from this second person. Plus or minus, if you do this thing within a month of registration or thereabout, you are going to make nothing less than 63,000 as cash bonus. Apart from the additional promo bonus that like an air clipper, toaster, table gas cooker, and so on. So now let's assume that this is how this one works. Let's assume that you now do instant star 5 during this promo. Assuming you do instant star 5, let's look at it. Register and upgrade to 5-star consultant in the same month of registration. You are going to win 100,000 naira cash reward. So how do we do star 3? How do we do instant star 5? This is doing register and upgrade your account to register and upgrade your KD account to star 5 within the same month. So how do we do that? It's very simple. This is your account. You have another account here. I hope you can see my funny drawing. So the method you use during that star 4 to become star 4, train those 3 people that you register, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D. Tell them, teach them, show them to do the same thing. Yes, A, B, C, D, Mr. D. So you have done your 1,000 people through them. These people too, they have also done star 3 before. So they too, they are going to do to build their own network too. Show them to build their own network. To complete. Let's draw it very well. It will complete. Let me show you. It will complete.